If you hear a strange noise at the door of your house, never open the door, otherwise you will run the risk of being harassed like this guy. I will show you the video, but first, like and subscribe if you love your parents. If you don't like and subscribe, it means you never love your parents. So, this guy heard a strange sound at the door of his house and he thought that there was a thief trying to enter the house. Apparently, there is a scary ghost at the door of his house making him scared and traumatized. Send this video to your friends to warn them about this. Here is the video.
Jadi kan